Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the SD card and the downloader so you can save the video directly. Insert and mount the SD card, then verify free space. Make sure you have 16 GB or more for longer videos. Install a trusted downloader app or open the desktop tool and grant storage permissions. This lets the app write to external storage. Next, locate the YouTube video and copy its link. Once done, paste the link into the downloader and choose the output format and quality. Now you decide how the file will be stored and why those choices matter. Choose MP4 for wide compatibility or MP3 if you only need audio. Higher quality like 1080p uses more space, so balance quality versus capacity. In the downloader settings, change the save path to the SD card, either the root or a named folder, so files land on external storage rather than internal memory. Make sure the app confirms the SD path. Then start the download and watch the progress until completion. Finish by verifying the video moved correctly and will play when you need it. Open your file manager, navigate to the SD card, and play the video to confirm audio and visuals are intact. If it fails, first check that the downloader has write permission and that the SD card isn't full. Remount the card or restart the app. If the file is corrupted, re-download using a lower bitrate or a different format. One key troubleshooting tip: test the SD card on another device to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.